How rich is the new Pope Leo XIV? In 1982, Robert Francis Prevost was ordained a priest in the Order of St. Augustine. At the time, his life was dedicated to religious service and missionary work, especially in Peru. His income came solely from the church, and his estimated personal net worth was minimal, around $5,000. By 2001, Prevost had risen to leadership within the Augustinians and became prior general of the order. With this came global responsibilities but no significant salary. His net worth remained modest, estimated at $20,000. In 2015, Pope Francis appointed him as apostolic administrator of Chiclayo, Peru, and later as bishop. His estimated net worth at that point was around $50,000. In 2023, Prevost became the prefect of the dicastery for bishops, one of the most influential roles in the Vatican. He lived in Rome, worked directly with Pope Francis, and managed key church appointments around the world. Even in this powerful position, his personal wealth did not increase significantly, estimated at $75,000. Now, in 2025, after being elected Pope Leo XIV, he leads the global Catholic Church. As Pope, he holds no personal wealth. The vast resources of the Vatican are used to serve the church and its charitable missions. Pope Leo XIV's personal net worth is estimated at $0, reflecting a life of spiritual dedication, not material accumulation.
दोस्तों, नए बनने वाले पॉप की पूरी जिंदगी की कमाई $75,000 थी, वो भी उसने गरीबों में तकसीम कर दी। पॉप की पूरी जिंदगी की कमाई से ज्यादा तो पास्टर शौकत के छतरी पकड़ने वाले के पास होगी।
Oh, no.